Hello everyone. In our last video, we turned our focus towards input device programming. We saw what are input devices. We also saw what values do they provide, how we classify those values as analog and digital. And now in this video, we are going to look at the Arduino blocks provided in InBlock, which are related to input devices. You know, when we study, what we do, we are taking the information in. And we store that information in our brain, we go to exam hall and we write it down in our paper. So getting the information in, what we do, we read the books, we read, and getting the information out, we write it. And these two terms are frequently used in Arduino for input device and output device commands. So wherever we want to do something which is related to output device, we see use of write. In InBlock, that write word is replaced by set. And we saw the command set digital pin, set PWM pin. Whereas when we take the information in, we term it as if we are reading the information. And we see the read word frequently associated with the commands related to input devices. And that tells us that these commands are related to input device programming. Okay, so let's understand them. Read digital pin. So if our input device is a digital device and it is attached to a digital pin, we use this command, read digital pin, and we give the specific pin number there. Read analog pin. Now if our input device is an analog device and it is connected to, let's say, pin A0, A is already there, so we'll only write here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we have pins from A0 to A5. We use this command. Now if you see, these both commands are going to give us a value. Here we can directly compare the value because the shape of the block is such that we can use this block in comparison. And this is the shape of the block, shows that it's a variable type of block, which means it is going to hold a value. So both are going to hold a value. These two blocks are related to specifically ultrasound sensor. This pulse in command is used to read the time elapsed between two events, and we use that in ultrasound sensor. And this is actually a kind of function module to read the value of ultrasound sensor. Now in addition to that, you also see serial read byte. This is related to reading the buffer of a Bluetooth or reading the values which are coming on serial pins. So these are few input blocks which we will use while doing our input device programming.